We have a toilet here from 1971. It has a bad mold gasket. So I'm going to change the mold gasket out, and everything will be back to normal, I guess. So, now I'm going to talk about the commode and what it's going to take to change that mold gasket. And really, it's not worth taking the time to do that. So here, a set of sockets probably would have done good, but I didn't have sockets with me. So, if the commode needs a new seat, a new flapper, a new valve, or a new handle, something of that nature, I usually fix the commode. Now, a mold gasket, a wax ring, if I'm taking that much of the commode out, I never put the old commode back in. The new commodes are, they flush better, they use less water. It's good to replace them when you can, when the opportunity is there for you. Here, this is a kind of a unique situation that I couldn't really take the time to pull the commode out and put a new commode in. So I decided to change the gasket. You can see it's pretty rough. Everything was difficult to get apart. And if it really was difficult, I kind of had to take my time and do it so I didn't do any damage to the original commode. So after I get this all done, put a new gasket on there, get it all back together, I still have a commode from 1971. So I really didn't get anywhere doing a repair like this to this commode. It was pretty involved. It took probably a little bit less time than putting a new commode in, but not very much. And of course I didn't have to carry the old one on or carry the new one in, but it wouldn't have been worth it. So here you can see me loosening this up. The threads on the brass bolt, they're soft. So to get that out of there, I put a pair of vice grips on the threads. Now once I get that to a certain point, I'll switch those vice grips over to the other side, and I'll just force that bolt off there. Since the nut is made of steel, it'll go right through the brass threads. What I can see here that is that a hairline crack? So yeah, all that time in there I put into it, and maybe the commode has a hairline crack that might even leak when I get this all said and done. So once again, with a repair like this, it's new commode time. So before you get into a large repair on a commode, always consider putting a new commode in. They're about $100. I always get a new line for the commode and an extra wax ring. So I use the wax ring they give you plus an extra one. I always do that in a new commode line. The new commode goes in a lot easier than even putting this one together. But it's just a good reminder, don't get involved in commodes, just get them replaced. Alright, so I'm going to leave the rest of the video go from here. Getting this replaced. Now again, 1971 was a long time ago. Of course, the 71 Mustang. That might have been the best year for the Ford Mustang, 1971. Those cars are sharp. There it is. It's a beauty.